gonna take between an hour and an hour and a half.
I love banana
Don't kill
bread.
me, yes, I know. It takes a little bit, but it's worth when it gets to your mouth. What are we making?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. Here we have our ingredients.
Banana bread.
Let's make some space because we are going to need a nice bowl. Let's find that bowl. Everything is happening in a bowl. And then I have a silicone mold where we're going to put our banana bread. And then that's about it. Start preheating the oven to 325. It's going to be a slow process. Perfect for this pajama day. I feel like I'm doing like a pajama season, like a pajama series of cooking in the house. But that's the time that I got. We're going to start with the most pressing thing, which is we are going to curdle the milk. Very easy. Yeah, just give me 1 second. And that's not happening in a bowl because clearly we need another bowl for this. So we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of milk. You can use any milk.
Yeah.
I've tried it with almond milk, with pea milk, with so on and so forth. Blah 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 blah. You get it. Let me straighten you up a little bit so we can, you get the best of me. Behave. Okay, a 1/3 cup of milk.
Can I put that in?
I think we got enough. Yes. And
I wanted to
one.
put it in.
Let's do something so we go. And 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon.
Apple cider.
Here we go. And we just let it sit while we prepare the rest. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Let's keep moving with the ingredients. Super easy. We're gonna use very ripe bananas. I have these guys here. You see the darker the spots, it means the sweeter the banana it is, and that really benefits us.
I love banana bread.
Yeah, let's put it in.
Can I put
And we're
it
gonna
in
start.
banana?
You're gonna start. Did you wash your hands? Yeah. I'm gonna start smashing this, guys. Hey, I'm gonna start smashing this, guys. Come on, come on. There we go. Super easy. And then also I have like my personal add-ons. For example, I'm gonna add a little bit of peanut butter and a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of cinnamon, and you can add pecans, walnuts, chocolate chips, shred some carrots, shred some zucchini. Honestly, this is a very versatile recipe. Is this low calorie? No. Is this like a diet healthy recipe? Could be. It depends on how you define diet. For me, it's balance between the good and the bad, and there's no such thing as bad or good foods. It's about the quantities and how often you eat them. So our banana bread, like we're Christmas and pajama season, in our holiday season, and banana bread, it's one of our staples. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add all the wet ingredients first. We are going to add 2 eggs. There are a couple of things about the eggs. I would open them in a separate bowl just to make sure that you don't get any rotten eggs. Okay. Guys, can you not fight? Why do we always have to fight?
We're not fighting.
But I am gonna take some risks here.
Can I put it in the next one?
Yeah. Let's see how Audrey does.
Audrey, do you see how close I am?
Go for it. No, you open from that little hole. Put anything in there.
Mommy.
Spread it. Wonderful. You smash, smash, smash. We are gonna, this requires a little bit of sugar. It does. It requires a cup of sugar. And if you want it to be super crusty, a cup and a half.
Oh, that is a
One. I do 1 cup of sugar. I have not tried with alternative sugar. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of oil.
Oh, look good.
Very gentle. I add olive oil because it's my favorite, and that's what I have in the kitchen at the moment. Audrey, you keep doing your thing. You love your thing. Gonna add a pinch of salt.
Can I put it in?
No, you got your stuff going on. Pinch of salt. Baking soda.
Okay, you're doing it white.
Peanut butter. Let's add.
I have the list.
You have the list.
Yes.
That
is important.
a tablespoon of peanut butter. That's personal choice. Life with kids is so awesome and zero stress. Not true. But it is awesome. Got some. It's pretty curdle. I like it. We're putting it in. And now, yes, you keep mixing. And now, my beautiful friend, the sifter. We're gonna sift the flour. It's gonna be a cup and 3/4 of flour. Okay, put it in. I don't think we're gonna need it. I know you don't. You have to wait. You don't have to mix it right now. You just wait for a sec. Okay, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of baking soda. Trying to get this right. Yes, I got it. Okay, and 3/4 of flour. 1, 2, and 3. 4. No, I just only need 3/4. And I'm gonna do this guy. Okay, I'm gonna put this guy away. And I'm gonna add some cinnamon. Hold on, very gentle. We're gonna change now. We're gonna.
Can I put it in the cinnamon?
Use this. Oh, stretching. Hold on. I'm putting the cinnamon in.
I'm still mixing.
Mixing. You're still mixing very gentle. It's more of a folding process. We're gonna add some cinnamon. I like a solid taste of cinnamon. I really enjoy cinnamon.
Yeah.
There you go. And now a petite chef.
Mommy,
Audrey, yes.
why do banana bread and sourdough have different doughs?
Why banana bread and sourdough have different doughs? Because they have different ingredients. And it's gonna have it's gonna be a long cooking process. So if you don't have a lot of time, then I would suggest not doing this recipe. It's gonna take between an hour and an hour and a half.
I love banana
Don't kill
bread.
me, yes, I know. It takes a little bit, but it's worth when it gets to your mouth.
Mommy,
Just gentle folds. You don't want to activate the
Now
baking
can I
soda
do
right
it?
away. No, I'm gonna finish this because I want to mix the peanut butter. Okay? And it goes in our silicone. And if you don't have a silicone one, well, you should buy one because it makes life much easier. But if you don't, just use a regular pan and just coat it with oil or butter and some flour so it prevents sticky.
and now next thing we're gonna wait.
Okay. We're gonna put it in for an hour and then we're gonna check. I know it's so long, but it's so good. You won't regret it. Is it good? Is this banana bread good? How good? Show me with your fingers. What number do I get? Whoa! I even got feet. It's been an hour. Let's see. Ooh! That was so close. You might be ready. We'll see. I'm gonna need a. Whoa! Let's. It's not ready yet. But I'm gonna try with my friend here the knife and see. Now it's still very gooey. You see, this is all gooey. It has to come out clean. I am going to cover it with aluminum foil, and put it in there for another half an hour. The reason I'm putting the aluminum foil is so it doesn't burn. Then we can proceed. for the pajama series. Here we go. And for another half an hour. And this also is gonna help create some steam. So it's gonna help the banana bread cook faster. But the kitchen, I can guarantee it smells like banana bread. Right, Racy?
Indeed.
Indubitably. Okay. Make sure you put it at the back of the rack, because that's where the heat is concentrated. And we add half an hour more, and then we check. Thank you. Yes. This is my Sunday attire. Okay. Thank you. Take it easy. Take it easy. We're taking this. We're gonna check the banana. Wow. Can you give me a knife? We're going to do the knife test. Oh, it is done. Look. Ah. Ready to eat?
Yes.
It's so crunchy.
My masterpiece.